Go.
Sorry.
So we got these skullcandycrusherevo Bluetooth headset. Picked this up on Black Friday. I think it was $150. It's supposed to have bass, noise cancellation. I know he's been out for a while, but
Well, that's cool.
I upgraded from the original Crushers because my daughter wanted to keep those.
Okay.
It comes in a little gray bag. It's pretty cool. Ah, I like the build quality. It's got some sort of soft padding up here. And looks like the power button's right here. This is the slider for the bass. Not sure what that is. Or is that the power button? Maybe it is. I don't know. Oh, that is the power button. Okay. So I'll check them out and then we'll see how they work.